And this is the face, right?
Yeah.
Guys, this is my first time tasting the face of a cow.
Here you go. I don't like to season it up too much spice, you know.
Yes.
Casserole.
Oh, that's a casserole?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So normally I chew the casserole, so when it's boiling, it will burst at some point, but not now.
Ooh.
Constantly boiling it. Then pepper pot, sliced, spicy, not too spicy.
Chicken foot is soft and juicy. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and guys, I just want to thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. Today I am invited into Marcia's home and she will be doing the pepper pot for me. And guys, I just want you to tune in and to enjoy this video. Remember to like the video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the channel, guys. This is a very popular, interesting, and one of Guyana's greatest meal, so you cannot miss it. Hi guys, I am here with Marcia, and Marcia has invited me into her home. And guys, guess what? Today she's going to make the pepper pot meal here, and I want her to explain so far what she has been doing.
Well, as you know, I have a caravan. I do food, but I'm showing you today here how to make Marcia pepper pot. One of the best pepper pot. This here is the cow face.
Yes.
And this here is the cow ear.
Ooh.
So normally I put this to boil first. I don't pressure my meats. My meat, it take about like a day.
Yes.
A full day, sometimes like 2 days over.
To boil?
Yeah.
So that's how many
I will
hours?
turn it off if I'm leaving.
Yes.
I turn it off so I come back.
Oh, so it was boiling since yesterday.
Today.
Oh, you started today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put on the cow face and the cow ear. So normally what I did, I would normally put some salt and I will put casserole.
Oh, that's a casserole?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So normally I chew the casserole, so when it's boiling, it will boil into the meat. So when you're eating it,
yes,
it wouldn't be fresh.
Okay.
So this is the casserole. I don't show all, I would show some.
Okay.
So this here, sir, is the salt that I normally chew in. Tip of salt.
So you just know the right amount of salt to put into the pot.
Yeah.
You cook like a Jamaican. You have met any Jamaican before?
No, I haven't met any before. Yeah. When this pepper pot done, it's simple, but
yes,
I don't really like seasoning up my meats that much. But now I have this seasoning here. This is ginger, pepper, and garlic. I don't use onions. Ginger, pepper, and garlic. Yeah. So what I do, I take out some and I will put it on the meat.
So what you do, blend it up?
Yeah.
So guys, this is ginger, pepper, garlic blended together. I'm smelling the ginger.
Yeah. Ginger is very good.
Yeah, so it was poured on the meat.
The meat already prepped and everything. This here is some pork and some beef.
Pork and beef.
Yeah, mixed together. I don't like to season it up too much spice, you know.
Yes.
Normally what I would do, I have ginger.
Right. So this is the ginger. Is it ginger?
No, this is a spice and clove.
Spice and clove?
Yeah. This one is spice and this is a clove.
Yeah, that's a cinnamon. Cinnamon sticks.
No. Spice and no, that's not a cinnamon stick.
Oh.
We have two different. This is this spice and this is a clove. This is what we have over here.
Spice and clove.
Yeah.
This is new to me, guys. Leave in the comment section. Have you?
You don't want to put too
seen
much
the
of this to be
spice and
biting
clove
it.
before? Oh. Okay. What is this you have here?
This is fine thyme.
I can smell it.
Yeah. This here is some fine thyme that you normally put in your pepper pot when it near finish.
You know that our thyme is finer than that back home.
Okay.
Yes.
This is one of the best thyme in Guyana. We have some incredible ingredients for our foods in Guyana.
This is awesome. It's the first time I'm seeing this thyme.
Yeah. But normally we I just put the ginger. The ginger,
Yes.
we don't grate it. When you
You
buy
just
it,
put it in all.
yeah, scrape it.
So this is a ginger, guys. She's scraping.
This is our ginger, Chinese local ginger. Yeah.
Let me smell it. Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, it's strong. It's strong.
Yeah.
So you have been cooking for how long now?
I've been cooking since I was 12 years old.
Oh my, what a great experience. So that means, guys, that this pepper pot soup, it is going to be one of the best tasting. Oh, it's not a soup. Why am I saying soup? What is
Pepper
it?
pot, pepper pot. Guyanese pepper pot. You eat it with bread. You can eat it with rice.
So it's a mixture of meat.
Yeah. And you can put chicken foot inside of it too.
Yes. So the main meat that
Chicken foot. The main meat would be the not everybody eat pork. The main meat would be the beef, the cow face, and the cow ear.
Oh.
You can put, if you want, you can put pork.
Oh, okay.
But without the pork, and no pepper pot.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
So,
Okay.
but not everybody eat pork.
So it's like a stew.
Kind, yeah.
Okay.
When you have the ginger, you chew the ginger just like this.
Yes.
Old, inside of here.
Okay.
Inside of here. And what you normally do, when the casserole, it have a slight bitter taste.
Okay.
So
the ginger give it flavor.
yeah, the ginger also gives flavor, but the sugar now, it takes away the bitter taste from the casserole.
Okay.
Constantly tasting it, you will know if it wants a little more
Yes, yes. Ooh, interesting.
As you boil it, when you boil it, you see, it will boil into the meat itself. If you pressure it, you won't get a flavor.
Yes. This is very interesting. It's the first time I'm hearing about pepper pot. I have never heard about pepper pot before. So in my mind, I am thinking that pepper pot is a soup.
No, pepper pot is not a soup. It's like a stew.
Yes.
But it's something that you eat with bread, homemade bread.
Yes.
Lovely.
Okay.
The homemade bread, it eat great with this. This is, I call the meat bake. So when it's boiling, when it boils soft too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a mixture that is going to go into the pot. Guys, this is very interesting. Cooking pepper pot, and pepper pot is normally served during Christmas morning.
Christmas morning. Yes. The family. Yes.
Yes.
It will do its own boiling here.
Okay, look at it, guys. And it will take how long to boil?
It will take about approximate 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
Because you want your meat to be soft and well cooked properly.
Yeah. So
And as it boils, the water dry down, and it keeps boiling. You throw a little more water.
okay.
So like this, you leave it to cook itself.
So you put the heat according to how you want it to boil.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. So guys, let me know about what do you think so far about Marcia meal. Is it something that you would cook? Would you try her recipe and her style and the way you were saying something about the meat earlier? You don't chop up the meat. What were you saying?
I don't pressure the meat, and I don't cut it too fine.
Oh.
You don't cut the meat fine. You cut the meat big.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when it boils, you get to cook
Yes.
properly.
Okay.
If you cut it fine, it will boil away.
So what
This
next?
here is a fine time. What we normally do, we take off some of the thyme off of it,
Yes.
the leaves. You can leave some. You don't want too much.
Okay. Oh, so you don't use a lot of the leaves?
No, you don't use a lot
You
of the
use the
leaf. In the,
sticks.
yeah, you don't use a lot of leaf in the pepper pot.
Yes.
But you can leave on some, but
Yes.
not a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. But normally the leaves used in normal seasoning
Yes.
to blend.
Okay.
But you use a
So
stick.
just blend it and put it onto the meat if it's normal.
Yeah. You put it with other seasoning. You don't want to take off all of the leaves.
This is a Guyanese fine thyme. That's it?
Yeah.
Fine thyme.
This here is Guyanese casserole. This here was made
Yes.
from, I get this, normally I order my casserole from up the East Coast from a guy.
Yes.
He would make this.
Okay. Yeah, guys, the thyme it doesn't smell like a Jamaican thyme.
This is the Guyanese thyme.
It's a Guyanese thyme, but I'm trying to see which herb or spice it smells like back home. But it's definitely not like our local thyme.
So our thyme more stronger. Or?
It's ours. The best thing maybe is for you to smell it, or
okay.
Yeah, but they have two different smell.
Well, I have interchanged my pot because the pot that I was using, as you can see, it was very small. So this is the pepper pot bubbling. It still has a long way to go with boiling because I'm not pressuring. I'm boiling my meats.
Why do you prefer boiling?
I prefer to boil my meat instead of pressuring it because when you boil your meat, you wouldn't have this diarrhea. The casserole will get to cook more properly. It won't be raw to have you use in the toilet.
Yes.
So when you boil your pepper pot now, the casserole get to boil out properly. So you would have a tasty pepper pot and you would enjoy it without using the toilet.
Okay.
That's the reason why I boiled my meats instead of pressuring it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is looking very tasty, and we have about 2 more hours left to boil.
Yeah, we have about two more hours.
And I can't wait to taste the pepper pot. Oh my god. I am going to
What I will do now,
enjoy this.
what I will do now, this is a clove and this is a spice. They say will give the meat flavor also. You don't want too much clove inside to be biting. Clove. These two pepper here is the Tahiti pepper. They say will go in last with my chicken foot, because I still have my chicken foot to go into boiled.
Those are hot?
Yes, very hot. Very hot. This would be the last to go in.
Oh, okay.
The time, I can put in the time now.
Oh, okay.
I can put in the time. You can see the time is here. I can put a time right here and pile in the middle with the stick. So when you're eating this pepper pot, it's well flavored. Don't worry. Too much ingredients spoil your pot.
Yes.
Don't bother with all this big seasoning.
A lot of seasoning up because you want the children to enjoy your pepper pot.
Not me alone eating.
Okay.
I have my chicken foot here.
Yeah.
This will be the last.
Why is it last?
To go in? Because it will melt away in the pot if you put it inside. Because I have beef and cow face that still has to boil about 2 hours before putting the chicken foot inside.
Okay, so the next 2 hours it will go in.
Yes, this will go in within the next 2 hours. Because even if you boil it, the meat still wouldn't boil away.
Yes.
Because it's beef, and you know beef.
Okay.
Beef take a little while. As you can see the difference from boiling to pressuring. You see the meat, and get it soaking properly.
Yeah, so the seasoning and everything it becomes flavorful.
Yes, from the meat go down, right down. If you could see the stem, you leave the stem in to boil.
So guys, we're about into 3 hours of boiling, and this is what it looks like 3 hours into boiling. How many hours you have remaining? About 2, 3.
About 2 more.
Yeah.
It still have to boil. Constantly boiling it every day. Get more soft.
Yeah. All right.
Still have the chicken foot already prepped.
So if you were steaming it, how long would it have taken?
Have the chicken foot and the pepper to prep.
If you were steaming it, how long would it have taken?
It would have taken more longer because when you steam it, it still gotta boil.
All right, so guys, this is the chicken foot and the pepper, and she's going to when you're going to put it into the pot?
When the beef get a little more softer. So about the next hour, we'll witness the chicken foot and the pepper going into the pot, guys. Stay tuned. This is a great meal that I think everyone should look and see and integrate into their culture and enjoy, right? Okay guys, so our pot is coming on, and guess what, it is time for the chicken foot. As you can see, it's there.
You can remind us of the meat that is in there already.
Beef. The meat that's in here is beef, pork, cow face, and cow heel, and I'm about to put
cow heel is the same as a cow foot?
No, cow face,
Okay.
There's the heel from the cow, cow heel. This is chicken foot.
So chicken foot and the pepper.
And they have the cow face. This here, this is the cow face.
You seen the cow face, guys? The face of the cow?
This here is the cow heel.
Ooh, that's a cow heel. I guess home we call it cow foot. Or the heel is the... What is the heel actually? The part that they walk on? Oh.
This here, sir. This here is the chicken foot. Put in the chicken foot as it cooked.
Ooh. Interesting. For my chicken foot lovers, you can just leave your comments. This is the pepper that you put on top. And that is a hot pepper.
Yeah.
So the pepper is going to burst at some point, or it will remain that way?
It will burst at some point, but not now.
Ooh.
Constantly boiling it. Then.
Okay, this is fun. Interesting, and it's looking tasty.
It is tasty.
Feel like I would taste peas before the pot don't cook. But guys, look at this. Oh my god. So remember now guys, we're working on the pepper pot. And this is the Guyanese pepper pot. Right. Okay guys, I'm going to taste it just. Okay, so guys, I am tasting the thyme. It is well seasoned, and you can feel the flavors, the spices all mixed. What were you saying about the pepper?
The pepper, when it boil up, one of the pepper are cut it, so you will get a spice into the pepper pot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, lovely. So we have how many more hours to go?
2 about a hour more.
Okay, so it will be ready soon, guys. Don't worry about it. It will be ready soon.
This is the pepper. It melts.
Guys,
This is pepper pot. Sliced, spicy, not too spicy. But this is what you call pepper pot. Tasty pepper pot.
guys, this is, oh my god, it is looking so good. Look at this. This is the pepper pot. It is finished, and you will see me when I taste it soon. And trust me guys, you are going to taste the flavors with me. All right.
Well, as you can see, this pepper pot is finished. Finished, tasty, and everything.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nice chicken foot.
Yes.
You have, if you can see, this is a cow face.
Yes.
You have the beef. This is a cow heel. You can see.
Ooh.
You have the foot. Well boiled.
Yes.
You can see.
Yes.
And the pork mix.
Oh my
With the
god.
beef.
Guys, we're going to taste this very soon. All right?
So,
Ooh.
well, this is a foot. Piece of foot.
Oh my god. So guys, she's searching for a piece of the heel,
Beef.
the beef, the pork. Oh my god.
Cow face.
Look at the plate.
This
Oh,
is the cow face.
the face of the cow.
This is the eel.
Ooh. And so what is it that I'm going to eat this with
You're
now?
going to eat it with bread.
Oh my god.
I'm
Okay.
not finished baking bread, but I have sliced bread. You
Yes.
can enjoy it with that.
Okay guys, so the first thing that I am going to taste is a cow face. And this is the face, right?
Yeah.
Guys, this is my first time tasting the face of a cow.
Hey, good morning.
Oh my god. The cow face. Oh, it's a little bit hot, but I know, oh my god, that is so soft and juicy. Guys, it just keep melting in my mouth. This is the what? The heel?
Yeah.
So you see how well cooked it is. So this is the cow heel. I love it. Just give me a little time to talk about the flavors. That was the beef. And this is one of my favorite, the chicken foot. Alright. foot is soft and juicy. It is very flavorful. I'm tasting the pepper, I'm tasting the thyme, I'm tasting the ginger. And guys, I truly want to thank Marcia for giving me the opportunity to taste pepper pot. This is my first time tasting pepper pot and I love it. Marcia can cook, guys. She can cook. Alright? So remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments in the comment section and I will see you soon.
I would like to thank Tania for coming and see the way that I prepare my pepper pot. It was well seasoned. It get everything inside. She enjoyed it. She had a great meal from my lovely pepper pot. Welcome to Guyana. We have the best tasty pepper pot. We have our different meats, as you see, step by step. We have pork, beef, chicken foot, cow face, cow wheel, whatever you want to put in your pepper pot. It comes out as a real Guyanese pepper pot. And I would like to say once more, thank you Tania for coming and visit the Kings and Queens Barbecue and Grill. I have a lot more to show you soon coming up.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye. I'm going to finish my meal.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of